Right then, guys, welcome back to another video. I know, a little bit awkward. And today, it is, wait, it's 6:30 in the evening, and I just woke up. I drink some juice, nothing, and just wait. Why am I going down like this? I need to fix this. I know it's a bit awkward, but it is already fixed. Apart from that, I have to fix these. And sometimes just have to do it all. Man, it is late for today, and for this, you can finally do that a little bit awkward. And we are at the bottom of the stairs. I'm sorry guys for the scratch. I know, I'm just being a little bit entertained. So, being down. Let's take this. Just and also, why am I here? What's that sound? What? Never mind. What was that sound? I have no idea what just happened there. And I'll be back in my room. Stuff like that. Okay. This one I already showed you tonight. I tore my bedroom. Wait. 25 million views. How crazy is that? How crazy is that? Now, what's this? What's this? Was that red? Oh, come on, you know I hate red tongues. To be honest, and the video soon, and as you know, you have a brand new visitor. Oh, sorry. So, for the next video, I'm gonna be playing. Wait, why am I playing? What was I playing? Get me right. The thing that I was playing was supposed to be. Let me see. Roblox, but the problem is don't have a thingy that, you know, something weird. So from the meantime, I was thinking that why not just think about it. Think. start with the letter M. It's a T. Wait, why do I mean that? That's weird. Scratch and a scratch. Awkward. Man. Enough. So many videos. Oh man. Well, thank you so much for watching from the gold. Wait, what did I say that? Oh my god, the Golden Minecart channel. Make sure to check that out from the viewers, or just check in the description below. Give me a big thumbs up for today's video. So, see you in the next video. Goodbye.